understanding, explain why a solar panel must be placed at a specific angle to function efficiently. What are you expecting them to write here, Ashika? If I ask you the answer,
Place such that it should face the sun, maximum sunlight, to capture maximum sunlight.
I think this question can also be presented in the form of 3 pictures, whereas in the solar panel is placed at different angles and then asked at what angle will be.
Which one is the better one?
in which case it will
Case.
work
The most efficient.
More efficiently.
The most
Yes.
efficient. Great.
Yes.
Great again. But yes, वो थोड़ा सा level will become higher, but it's fine. It will not come under understanding now, but it will become a better question.
The idea here is that how do we really move on to different kinds of MCQs? Okay, we use this exercise to explore what different types of questions, what data-based questions we can think of. Okay, what kind of visual MCQs we can think of. So it's not MCQs where they're just one statement or it's a numerical etc. with certain options. But how do I now, as an educator, think of different types of questions that can be designed in the form of MCQs?
Planning to try this as a formative assessment for my grade 10 students.
I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, this is
I enjoyed. Like
You remember I was saying ki please work on this. Trust me, when you look at the result,
Yeah.
now after the feedback, you will definitely work on it again.
Yeah. No, it was like I took up like around 15 or 16, like almost every science section in the Hindu paper. I was looking at it and I'm like, will this work? Will that work? I mean, I also read a lot of article after a long time, so that was also nice.